this part is now done. Now I have to take these reflective lights off, and yeah, now I'm gonna get this part done as well. It's a bit dirty because I had to take off the rust again because it was starting to rust again, so I took that part off again. And so far no rust has been found, except for this part has to be sorted in this part as well. But the rest is okay. We will put undercoat on here, then there will be no rust to be seen. So yeah, I'm glad that this part, the hardest part, is done. Now what's left is these lights, and yeah.